What the fuck was that, man? Oh my god, man. Whatever. Whatever, man. Whatever. 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 That shit's so stupid, man. I mean, I don't know, man. I could have sworn I did that, and then had the nerve to run. I stopped, and then go in my direction. Mm, and had the nerve to do that too. Hmm. Oh, silver and gold is just being super disrespectful today. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Well, I mean, mm, mm. Damn, dude. Like, what the? Mm. Didn't ask it to do that. All right, man. Yeah, man, these metals are like super volatile right now. Man, it is super volatile. Okay. All right. Man, that shit ain't gonna fly. Okay. Man, I'm not gonna do that just for that, man. I guess, yeah. If they don't offer micro silver, then I'm just not gonna trade them. Cause I mean, gold is straight, but hmm. Hmm. Hey, yo, what's up, Alfred? Hmm. Hmm. Man, it just seems like the metals are just getting worse and worse, man. It is super volatile, man, right now. Hopefully, all this stuff calms down. Hopefully, it calms down. But this is gonna probably be a tough week if you don't have your risk management down pat. It's gonna be a tough week. Hmm. All right. So are we getting like the ranging now or what? Gold was making 100-point moves in one candle. I mean, that's absolutely insane. Hey, what's up, Investor Z? Right now, I was able to catch a silver short up $888.80. Yo, that's pretty cool, dude. That's actually pretty cool. I didn't realize that I'm up 800. Let me take a screenshot of that, dude. That's pretty cool. I mean, how often do you see that? That's pretty cool. 800 8 880 $888.88 or in 80 cents. Okay. Let's see if we can get like one more silver trade in or a gold trade, whichever one comes first. Man. All right, let's see if we can get price to come back into this range right here. We do got a pivot low right there. I do think that the market will probably break through that though. The way that this thing is looking, yeah, it'll probably break through that. Okay. So far, that's what that's looking like. Yeah, I mean, at this point, it's just like, well, you could do that, but it's just easier just to just say, just easier. All right, so let's see if this let's see if I can get filled on either this gold or silver trade right here. We'll see. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get this short. If we can kind of get filled short on that breaker structure retest. Yeah, it looks like dang. All right, so it looks like the market really likes this level right here. Looks like it broke out. It broke down. It rejected. It broke out. It broke down. It rejected. It broke out. It broke down. Okay. All right, so we'll see if If it'll love tap this level, and then we'll see a rejection. Mm. Okay. Mm. Oh. Mm. Mm. Alright. Where's all the energy at? Where's all the energy at, man? Yeah, what's up, Cave Trader? Hmm. I don't even know. Hmm. Yeah, you said a couple hundred, so you need at least like what, 200? I mean, you should be able to get that, especially on today. I mean, shit, especially the metals. But I know you trade Nasdaq though. Mm. Mm. Okay. Yeah, and these kind of markets, man. Man, these markets are tough. Said they're tough. They're tough, 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 tough. Mm. Okay. And if it's not one thing, it's something else. That's definitely for sure. It's not one thing, it's something else. 78, 80. 78, 80. Six, 9, 15. Hold on, what the fuck? Oh. Ah. Yeah. I wasn't expecting my goal position to get filled there. I wasn't expecting it. Okay. I guess I should have known better than that. I should have known better than that. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Congratulations. Well, just be careful. Man, you ain't about nothing. You ain't about nothing. Yeah, just be careful, Alfred. You're so close. So close, and you already know how that shit go. Yeah. Especially, I mean, hold on. Let's look at what NQ is even doing right now. Look at what NQ is doing. What can I really do, man? What can I really do here? What can I really do? I mean, my main focus is silver, but we can look at what MNQ is doing and what gold is doing. And man, look at that. Or would that be too much? Mm. But yeah, it does look like NQ is super trending. We are at these highs. So just be careful. Just be careful with the NQ right now. I mean, shit, all these markets are super volatile right now. I mean, it's try not to not necessarily over trade, but if you can lock out, locking out will probably be the best option. Taking a small loss or taking a win, and then walking away or locking out will probably be the best option. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Mm. Okay. Mm. And you see what I'm talking about? Dude, it's super volatile right now. I'm getting stopped out of winning positions, and that is just so frustrating, man. That is so frustrating. I'm not even taking bad trades. It's that I'm getting stocked out of winning positions. Because of the freaking volatility. Mm. Okay. All right, man. Okay. Hold on. I was in a... Oh, shit. I had a gold short? Okay, I got way too much going on right now. I got way too much going on. Why did I put a gold short right there? Hmm. Okay. Okay, I got way too much going on. All right. I don't even like trading gold anymore. Stick with silver. Okay. You know, the crazy thing is that so I really lost about what, I was up $888.88, and then I just lost 1,450 cents. Wow. And then it goes in my direction, man. Why does everything feel broken right now? Why does everything feels broken right now? Oh, come on, man. Seriously? Seriously, man? I mean, seriously, you know? Damn, dude, look at that, man. Damn, silver. It's like that. Whatever, man. Mm. Yeah, especially in this market environment, 2 micros is actually pretty good. It's pretty good, honestly. I mean, we showed last night that you can make money with 2 micros. You can lose it real fast too. Mm. Okay. It just kind of sucks that I got stopped out there. I got stopped out multiple times in the same area, then it just proceeds to dump. Dude, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know how stuff like that happens. I really don't. I mean, it does it just enough. I mean, it doesn't know how much drawdown I have, but it seems to perfectly stop me out, deplete my entire drawdown, and then proceeds to dump in my direction. That's pretty. I don't know. That's kind of interesting that it consistently does that. Mm. Yo, congratulations, Cave Trader. Mm. Well, it looks like Top Step is not gonna allow me to activate my account. It's probably not the. It's probably for the best, honestly. Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. We're activated, but I'm not gonna be stupid or nothing. I'm not gonna be stupid. Alright. mm, mm. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Actually, let me look at this real quick. Mm. Mm. Still got stopped out. Oh shit. I mean, even if I did, that was 640. Let's see. 640. I would have been in it still like 5 ticks. Instead of 5. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I guess I would have survived. Okay. Shit, what are you gonna do, Alfred? What are you gonna do? I think that would probably be the best thing to do. But I understand though. I understand. It's understandable if you keep trading though. I mean, shit, the job ain't finished, right? At least that's what your ego is telling you. Not necessarily a bad thing. The job isn't finished. With the market so volatile like this, I would definitely just take that as a win and walk away. Or if you're going to continue to trade, I would definitely tell myself, or at least try to adhere to it. But if you take one more trade and it's a losing trade, then you have to stop. But I already know how that shit goes. You need risk settings for all that. You need risk settings for all that. And then you sitting here watching the market move and yeah. Yeah, you need risk settings for all that. Yeah, what's up, Tony Gold? You said if it was a Pro Plus, you would have kept going? Yeah. Yeah, dude. I would lock that in, man. Or you already know what's going to happen, or what's more likely to happen, because what are you going to do? Are you going to stop once you get $1,000 over the buffer? Are you going to stop when you get to 2,000? When are you going to stop? Do you have a plan? I'm just going to assume that right now, since the markets are moving, emotions are high, judgment could be clouded right now, and you just don't want to be trading in an emotional state like that. All right, I got 15 minutes. 15 minutes to find a trade here, and then I'm gonna lock this account up. I mean, yeah, it could. And well, I don't think it'll crash. It'll pull back, but it won't crash. I don't think we see a big reversal here. The structure's not in yet. I mean, we got equal highs right here. If anything, I feel that we run these highs. If anything. This thing is pulling back to the EMA. We're super trending. There's separation from the EMA as well. So this thing is more likely to go higher than to go lower. But I'll definitely wait to go long on a pullback. See what it does at that 21 EMA. That's what I would do. And then you got that 50 EMA. I mean, shit, if it misses the 21, it's definitely going to bounce at that 50. I highly doubt that this thing holds underneath the 50 where this thing is trending like this. Doubt it. Oof. Mm. Mm. I know as soon as I try to get into this thing on a technical trade, this thing is just going to pull back and stop me out. Pretty sure if it runs these lows, it'll probably flush, but I don't take these types of trades in my funded account. And that shit just ran right through it. That's why those types of trades are dangerous. Those types of trades are super dangerous. Ugh. Yeah, we got that flush underneath that low. Mm. All right. Okay, let's see if it let's see. Mm. Yeah, I don't know. I got 10 minutes and I gotta lock up the account. No, no, do this. Yeah, come up with something I don't even think about. Which is definitely possible. Damn. What day did you make over the consistency, Cave Trader? That sucks, man. Yeah, that consistency rule. Sometimes, especially on the eval, I feel like on the eval side, it's kind of gets in the way, but it definitely at least I need it for the funded side. The eval side, I don't particularly care for. What plan do you have? Is that the select account? 40% consistency rule? Ooh. I got 6 minutes. I think I can get this limit filled. And hopefully the market is nice to me here. That shit just straight up dumped. Okay. Oh shit. No, you're going the wrong way. God damn. Okay. All right. That just sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Hmm. That sucks. Hmm. Man, this thing literally double bottom here, man. Uh, it sucks when the 50% of the range doesn't work. You know, with the range being this big, I kind of figured that it would bounce at the 50, but it literally bounced at the bottom of this range. It literally bounced at the bottom of it. That sucks, man. Man, that shit works when it wants to work, man. It works when it wants to. Not necessarily when you need it to work. All right, so I mean, I got my 3 accounts. Maybe I should just do it that way. That was wow. Wow, dude. Wow. Okay. All right, so I got this strategy down packed. I'm just playing a numbers game. If I just trade my strategy, if I trade my strategy, it's highly unlikely that I lose in all accounts. But even if I do, I mean, it's as long as I stick to a $270 loss, I mean, I can lose literally about 3 days and come back. So I should have these accounts as long as I adhere to my rules. And I don't mess up. Just make sure that the first thing I'm doing before I take a trade is locking out all of my accounts, making sure that I'm only losing $270. I'm blocking silver, and I'm limiting the amount of contracts that I can trade. Hey, Alfred, are you still all right? Are you still all right, Alfred? Man, that kind of sucks, man. That sucks, man. You logged out? Okay, cool. Yeah, let that shit lock in, man. Let it lock in. Like I said, I'm not buying any more funded accounts. I literally have 4 funded accounts trading silver. I'm only trading one time. So I mean, I literally have 4 opportunities to make money in at least one of these accounts per day. At least once. The only account that I just kind of wish that they just had a log for is my Lucid account. But honestly, I think I'm over. I think I'm over it. I got a payout from that account, so it's not like I mean, even if I lose the account, I still made 10 times the money that I paid for the account. I think I paid $73 from it, and I got a $900 payout. So I'm not stressing about payouts from that account. I mean, it's the account paid for it, so I didn't get the full payout of $1,500, but I wasn't going to sit here and risk it for a $1,500 payout. I wasn't gonna risk it, so I just took the payout. So yeah, just moving forward, I'm just gonna stick with the silver in those accounts, and because I have no other choice, I would have to trade gold in my Tradify account because I have no other choice. They don't have micro silver. If they had micro silver, then I wouldn't even look at gold anymore. There's really no point. I have to make 14 points to make $720 on 5 micro contracts. Just to make $720, I got to make 14 points. But it's not like 14 points is hard to get if you're trading with the trend. I mean, it's not hard, but the risk to reward is way better on silver. So I mean, but in situations where the market just trades through, I mean, it's just super volatile right now. I just got to remind myself that I was in the right area. It's just that the market just decided to be nasty to me in these situations, because I mean, I'm in the right area. It just didn't bounce where I thought it would bounce. I mean, I've traded the 50% of the range, so I mean, it's not necessarily it wasn't a bad trade. It just didn't work out this time. It literally bounced at the bottom of the range. Literally ticked the bottom of the range and then bounced. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, I mean, I had an excuse to I mean, if it would have been nice if the market consolidated and then before my cutoff time or after my cutoff time and then did this bullshit. But I mean, that's fine. It's fine. I only lost $280 because of the stupid volatility. I lost $10 more than I was supposed to, but hopefully the price action isn't like this entire week. Hopefully it's not like this, man. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, you see like situations like that. I mean, it's gold is just super volatile right now, man. These small little candles are so deceptive, but they're really like 10 points. Yeah. I mean, I would have survived that. I would have survived it, but it came so close to stopping me out there. So on gold, just back testing my strategy real quick. Gold came so close to stopping me out right here. Where is that at? 425 euro. Or no. This candle right here came so close to stopping me out at that little small little range right there. These candles are so freaking deceptive, man. Came so close because that was, even though that looks small right there. Actually. I guess if I traded the 50% there. So yeah, I was looking at the break and retest. I didn't even look at this range. I guess if I traded the range, it came right back to the 50% of the range. But that break and retest, it almost stops me out here. And then it goes in my direction. 16. Yeah. Almost stops me out and then goes in that direction. All right. So I mean, if you can get a break of this, a break and hold, then we can look for a pullback short, potentially into this range right here. Let me see. Potentially into this range right here. And motherfuckers are tough. Dude, I am not looking for that. It's not even worth it, guys. It's not even worth it. Depending on what the market does here, if we can see a break, then shorts should work. But if we see this thing break up higher, we could try to take a pullback trade here on gold. Got $1,100 just sitting in my practice account. Okay. But we'll see, because technically we got a double bottom right here on gold. This is silver. Technically, we have a double bottom. So the market would need to break underneath this low and hold. But if we get price to break structure to the side, to the left, and trade a pullback trade there. Okay. All right, so we got the break. That was the break right there. Okay. Now the shorts are confirmed. The shorts are now confirmed. The shorts are confirmed. But okay. I mean, it should be like that, but you know, for whatever reason, it doesn't seem to work out like that. I don't know why. You say you're bringing the crown home this month? Yo, congratulations on that, Investor Z. I mean, this one is. It's that stupid laser. Yeah, I just don't know how to use it next time. Yeah, this thing's gonna probably pop up. It's gonna probably pop up. Yeah. Look at that drop on NQ. Double top rejection. Break structure. Pulls back for the short. That's why you always got to pay attention to where your major low and where your major high is. I mean, that was actually the current low. So as soon as it broke this low right here, and then it breaks this low, that pullback short was kind of guaranteed. We do got a range right here, which I doubt holds the market up. I doubt it does. I doubt it. Let's see. Oh, wow. 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 Shit. It's going somewhere. It's definitely not going up anymore. It's definitely not going up. Like, dude, gold is going crazy. I mean, it's crazy because, I mean, if the narrative is that they're doing it because of the new Fed chair and how hawkish he used to be. But they just, I mean, I don't know, man. The market is just kind of silly at times. It can just be silly, you know? I mean, I understand the reason why it does something is just the narrative and not necessarily the reason. But I mean, that's kind of silly, you know? I mean, if that was the reason, it's like, yo, we have a Fed chair. 76480. That's super hawkish. Let's sell our metals. Let's sell it all. I mean, this man's not even gonna be in office until May, June. Man, come on, Silver. That's kind of nasty, man. That's kind of nasty. You're gonna break through this range. You're gonna bounce at this one. That's kind of nasty, man. That's nasty. Look at that. Come on, Silver. Come on. Come on. Mm. Man. All right, man. Really think about it. The daily loss limit is a hard breach, huh? That's a hard pass for me. Or that's an easy pass for me. You profit what used to be like that too. Back in its glory days. It used to be like if you hit the daily loss limit, you basically blew the entire account, regardless of how much profits you had in the account. I'm sorry, you said what? Okay. Mm. Alright, I'm gonna try that. If it does that, I'm gonna try it. Because I mean, it makes sense. As long as if it hits that, if it goes at least that far, goes at least that far. Yeah, like. Mm. 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 You think so? Mm. Mm. And probably something like a Q trade or some shit like that. Hmm. Target filled. Target filled. Dang, it got right to my target and bounced. It filled the target and bounced. Hmm. God damn, dude. Well, it filled my target and bounced. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. It just seems like it's always something that I have to be mindful of. There's always something I gotta be mindful of. Always something. We'll see. Oh man. Ugh. So I mean, my target already got hit already. So 430, 78, 430. All right, so yeah, my target already got hit already. Nice entry though. I'm sitting there chasing it, you know. Just because. Man, this would have been nice. Well, I'm already past my, but Wall Cena, Wall Rose, and Wall Maria. It would definitely been nice to have that in Wall Cena instead of in the freaking practice account. I got over like 2K in this account right now, in this practice account. All right, so I mean, the peak of this move, I was up 200 ticks. It's a lot of money. I was up 200 ticks. Man, these lights just fucking suck, man. They just fucking suck. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's definitely true. And this shit literally came back. It bounced at the 50 EMA. And I know Alfred talks about this a lot. That 50 EMA, that you can see that the market does like to react at that 50 EMA. I may implement, I guess it has to be trending. I guess the market has to trend. Like, usually that first test of the 50 EMA. I mean, in this situation didn't work, but it was coming out of a demand zone though. But yeah, this thing was definitely trending off of that 50, and it bounced off of the 50. Mm. Mm. Well, dang, look, god damn, dude. All right, let's see if we can. Let's see if we can do it again. See if we can do it again. I was about to say, Silver. I mean, you're gonna be nasty like that? Okay. 7,900 even is my target. So let's see if we at least get our target hit here. 79 even is the target. Whoa. Silver. Whoa. Whoa. Hmm. Bam. Target hit. Bam. Target hit. All right. Oh. Target hit, baby. Hmm. I mean, I think this is why I've settled for 72 ticks, because over time, my subconscious mind must have just picked up that regardless if I'm trading like an old supply area or just looking for a quick rejection, the market, like, dude, because we've been seeing the market hit that 72 tick target and then reverse. Because if y'all guys recall, I used to trade a 90 tick target, and then I started seeing the results that I wanted to see with a 72 tick target, and I just kind of came up with it. So my subconscious mind must have just picked up that 72 ticks is that golden tick zone, because y'all can see it bounced at 72 ticks, around 72 ticks. I mean, I would have got my 90 tick target hit, but you can kind of see that it was kind of acting up at that 72 ticks right there. So, uh, so that's why I just go for 72 ticks. That's $700, $720. So it's nothing bad. You can get that easily every day. You can get paid out with $720. 5 days, $720 is like what, 4,000? Close to it. Well, not 4,000, 37 or something like that. Yeah, like 36. My bad, $3,600 if you get $7,200 for 5 days. But let's be realistic. I'm pretty sure, and then you're just gonna get the minimum. Yeah. On the last day. Get the minimum on the last day of $150. Then lock out and take the payout. Yeah, Top Step ain't gonna like me when I finally get to a point to where I can save when silver gets back to being normal again, and I go back to trading minis and not these micros. And moves like this, a 72 tick target on minis is an $1,800 move. $1,800. Let the minis go back to being regular again. We're gonna start making some real money in this damn. But for right now, 2 micro silver contracts is the recommended size to trade. Yeah, that's 72 ticks, man. It's been dancing around this line. You see that it's just dancing around it. 72 ticks. Look at that. Where is 340 or 440? I have the value area low at 350. Let's see. this move right here, I would have been up $4,700 right now on one mini contract. $4,700. Yeah, Top Step don't want me to start fucking with shit. They don't want the volatility to go down. I'm gonna start making this real money in this down. Okay, but all right, guys. I'm out of time for this session. I'm not necessarily. I'm half and half today. I think I made sort of my Lucid. So I took 2 losing trades in my Tradeify account, and I took 2 losing trades in my Top Step account. But I had a winning day in my Lucid account, and I had a winning day in my Top Step account. So yeah, I had a 50% day. Well, not necessarily a 50% day. I had 4 losing trades and only 2 winning trades today. And then I hit daily loss limit in my dang what's that damn account? After being up $800. Oh shit. Baby. But I'll just come back tomorrow. I mean, I'm not gonna go on tilt because of that. I mean, the day is super volatile. Hopefully the volatility kind of goes down tomorrow. Hopefully. But I mean, all we can do is just keep taking our setups and just keep on jabbing. So, all right. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.